Good morning, everyone. Okay, good morning, everyone. Today, this is the first time I'm going to upload for you a video explaining chapter 2, publisher. Then today we will repeat what we did the last two classes. We are going to design using the publisher software. It is Microsoft product that can help the designer for designing many things like a brochure or business card here, and a brochure, flyers, and calendar. Okay, first of all, you have to be sure that you go inside this button, built-in button. Then you continue for designing by choosing which what is the thing that you want to design exactly. For today I'm going to explain calendar. Where is it? We already finished business card and a brochure. I'm going to explain calendar. I cannot find it. Let's try. Where are you? Yeah, this one. Now this is the calendar. We have to choose as I explained. This one is the templates. It's helping the designer that they can choose any templates to help them to complete the design. By choosing this template, you can at least have basic design. You can add your information. You can add a picture or any shapes or picture or word art, text, whatever the things that you need. You can modify the design. It's helping you to at least have basic design, as I said. Then here we have many. You can choose from anyone, and if you want to start from scratch, some designer, they don't like to have any basic design, then they can choose from here any size they like. It will give them a blank page. They will decide what they have to include. Now this one is the templates, and here as you seeing in the mouse, this one, the right side, here you can choose the color schema, which color. We call it customization part. This customization part, it will give your design before you start. It will give it the customization that every time you are going to open the software, you will find this information. Then you can choose the colors you like. Maybe I will change this one like this. I choose bars, template, and the font, then the font that I like. And if it is exam, if you are doing some exam or practical exercise, you have to follow exactly the information is written in the instruction. And here also the business information, I already saved it. You can create a new, and you can put your information. You can write your name, your title, and here what is the organization name, and the address. This is I put some examples. And if you have logo, if you have company that has logo or whatever, you can add it here from adding logo. Then you can give it a specific name. It will be saved in your business information. I already did that. And this is just for reminding you what we did last classes. Before we design calendar, before we design business card, what we noticed that each one has a business card and brochure. Each one has different options. It's suiting what we are choosing to design. As example, if we having business card, it will be similar to that, I think. Do you want it landscape or portrait? And if we are choosing brochure, it will be different. It will be 3 panels or 4 panels. Then here, as I said, in customization part, they will change this function, what is suiting what we are designing. Today we are designing calendar. Then you will find different here, as example here, time frame. This is for first time you are seeing that. And you can choose 1 month or 1 year. If you want to design for 1 month, you can choose only 1 month. 1 year, it will be free for all the year. This one also, you can choose the calendar date. Maybe you don't want for full year, you want from January till April. You can choose here and put also the year. Then you can also choose here 2020. Okay, let me see. Sorry, 21. I don't know. No. Close use right to left layout. Now here it will be for full year, but you can choose if you want to 2022. Okay, now let's do 21. Better, let's leave it 2020. I will go to 20, but I don't know, maybe I'm confused, I'm not sure, but the latest, the last versions, maybe I use it. We can put only specific month, but now I can't. Maybe, I don't know, I am confused. It should be only for 1 year or only 1 month. As we're saying, I cannot change. Like I wanted to put January to April, I couldn't do it. Then we will consider it will be only for a year. Sorry for this wrong information. Then, as we said, we can put if it is 1 month, we choose the month I want. Let me see. Let's do put that. Now 1 month. Set the calendar. Okay. Yeah. From here, I think we can make it October and November. Okay. October and November. Let's try it. We will make create. Let's wait. Okay. This is October and November. Very good. Then we go to page design. If we are confused, if we choose the wrong click, we just want to change the information here. We can make it 1 year. We want to change because we want to see how to make for 1 year. 2021. Okay. Include schedule of event if you want. I don't know. Let's see it. This first time I'm choosing this one. Then here you have this message. I always tell my students, dealing with a computer, it is a very important skill, very important skills that you have to add to your to you as a student, to you as in the future as employee. It is very important. Most of them in this class, they come from engineering and business. Then dealing with a computer, it come You have to read all the message that the computer give you, try to understand, to deal with it, and in the same time it will give you more skills that you can add to your CV in the future. It will be very useful in the study. One of them, that reading the message is very, very important. You have to read the message to understand. Then here what he say: apply template to the current publication, create a new publication, use my text and graphics. Usually I'm choosing this one, but for me, to my students, that if they are doing some exams and they already design a lot of things, sometimes I don't advise them. I don't advise them to change the template after they complete the design. Or maybe they can save one extra file, that if anything lost, they will not lose the time in the exam. Okay, then always you have to also learn the skills of saving the files. You have to have more than one version. If you lost your work, that you can have another file. Now what we design for 2021 calendar. All the months is included is here. Let me try to zoom. Okay, maybe I think let's make it bigger. Okay, now here this is the calendar. We choose the template, and what we have here, we have the menu. This is the main menu. This one for font schema, that if you want also font formatting, that you can change the size, you can make bold, you can make italic, underlined, the color of the font, and also here you can adjust. You can include text box, pictures, tables, and shapes. This is from the file. This is also very, very important, because it is the basic menu that it helps us to design. And we can go transfer to inserts. We learn many things. We can insert a blank page to add one more page. We can insert table and formatting the table, and we can insert picture from the computer. We can insert online picture. This is connected directly to the internet. As an example, here we can choose car. Now let's see. Now you can choose the picture you want. Now let's choose this one, insert. Okay, very good. I insert online picture. As we said, this picture can be from computer. You can choose it from computer. Now what we notice this picture come with menu, complete menu, that it help you to redesign this picture, design it. Like as example, you can choose picture tools. This one, yeah, they call it picture tools. Then you can change the design up to what you want, what you are expecting, what type of instruction maybe you are following. Picture border, you can choose the color. Picture effect, you can make shadow. You have to know that each shadow, when I put the mouse, it's showing to me the name. As example, this shadow I'm choosing, the name is below. Just I'll try to show you the name. Yeah, Now we have a picture with shadow. Now reflection, same. You can choose this one, you can choose this one, full reflection. What's the name? Full reflection touching. Now this is, I make also reflection. You can make a glow like this. You can make this one, choose it. Now you can, not caption, no, a 3D rotation. If you want to make some rotation, now you can make it like this. Okay, this is the idea, that each thing that you're going to insert in your software, it will come with tools that's helping you to design. You can crop, you can change the size from here if you want to reduce the size or make the size bigger, and also you can control and have this effect on your picture. You can recolor it, corrections, and you can change the picture if you didn't like it. We have many things. You have to try your best to improve your skills by practicing. You have many things that you can do to your design to make a good design, creating a unique design. You have many tools. Now what else? This is what we did for the picture. It is very similar. It is very similar to the picture from computer. Shape also, it will be similar. As example here, when I insert shape, I will insert the star. Same now. See, drawing tools. Now this star, this shape, I take it from insert. It came from with their tools. Then this tools, it's very important to redesign this shape. Similar to what we did, we can make the weight, okay, and we can make dashes, border, change the color, maybe change it to blue or green, that you can see. Shape, effect, similar exactly. You can make options. You can go to the options here, options. Now if you go to the options, you will show another window. This window is very, very important because it has more formatting that we have this one, the size, the blur, then this all will affect your design. Reflection, similar. Then please, you have to try your best. You have to try your best to practice, and when you're practicing that, you will discover more and more information. It will be very useful for you. Okay. Now let's make this color. We can edit shape from here. We can change it. We can make rotate it, and we can make also free rotation that we can control the rotation from here. Free rotation. Sometimes if it is assignment, maybe they will give you instruction you have to follow. If it is exercise, similar, but if it is exam, you have to follow exactly what the instruction is saying. If it say it is rotate left 90 degree, that you have to do it exactly, and the size also similar to the instruction. If you are designer, you have to decide what is suitable to your design. Now we go back to insert. We have many things. We have calendars. You can include calendar inside calendar if you want for 1 month. As example, we do for 1 year, which one, 2021. You can add one more here. Maybe let's add, let me change the picture. I will put the mouse, I don't know, let me try. I will add this one now let's see, like this. And now I added for October 2020. And of course you can control and format the cells. As example, this cells I want it to be green. I want to change the writing size. I highlight it and I add, and I can make also here weird and dashes, change the colors, change the font color maybe. Yes, everything. You can also write here, and I'll see, I don't know what is this word, but sometimes we have like maybe we want to highlight some dates, public holidays, ceremonies, whatever the things you can add here, and also make the format. Okay, all the needed formats is you can see when you put the mouse. Again, let me see, I'll put the mouse here. You'll see this one, this tools is coming with anyone that you can change the design of the calendar or the table or whatever, because what I did now, it is similar to the table. It's similar. If you insert table or calendar, it will be similar, because at the end the calendar is a table, then similar to it exactly. Now page parts. Page parts is also very nice feature that you can add to your design. Maybe you can add some codes to your design. See, there is here the standard, maybe this is the latest used. If you want more choices, you have to go, I will go back and show you one more again. It's me, yeah, page parts here, more page parts, similar. See, if you want to choose more, you can go inside this one and you will have more. I think I choose one by mistake. Insert page parts, more page parts. I will go inside here, I will choose this one, insert. Now I choose it, I can also change the place. Okay, I can change the font, and what I also similar, it will be similar, it will come with the tools, drawing tools. It's similar to the tools that it came with shapes. Then you can also change the design and change the font, control the font, make all the needed formats. Maybe you can make it glow and make material, it will be different, whatever. Again, you have to practice and go inside each one, because whatever I will explain in the class, it will not be enough if you are not practicing by your hand. Calendars, we did it. Border and accent, here we can insert, there is many types of borders. Now you can choose the border and you can just fit it as I'm doing, or you go and choose the border. You have many types, you can go here and choose the type that you want and learn how to fit it to your design. But I want to explain that again. This is one of the borders that it came like this. If you see, if when I'm making the I'm arranging this border, what happened? It will come as a whiteboard in front of my design, is hiding my design. This is I don't want. Right click, make order, send to back, like this. Okay, again I will do it. Okay, again insert border, this one. As example, I didn't do, sometimes when you did like this, the mouse will not show this. If it doesn't show, I advise you to delete it and reinsert again, just to show you. Sometimes it's, I have this confusion. Then what I'm doing, I'm adding directly, I will do order send to back if it is not showing to you. If it is not showing, then again you have to do similar, you have to arrange your design that to fit the page. Now we can make insert advertisement. It is very similar also to page part. You can add more advertisement from here. It will come with tools similar. Now I want to insert date and time. Let me see, I'll put the mouse here. See, where is my mouse? I am putting the mouse here, outside the table, outside the calendar. I'm not putting in any place, no text box here. And I want to insert the date and time. Yes, it will not work. It will not work because inserting date and time, you have to put your mouse in a place that it is ready to insert the date and time. Now, because I put the mouse inside this cell, then it's ready. Then I can insert here the date and time. If I want to insert, maybe I can make here text box. I draw a text box and I go back to insert and make date and time. You can choose a format that you want. There is many formats. Format, that's all. Again, here there is a tools. It's come with the what's the name, the text box. You can change change the font, you can change the design. Again, insert, we can also insert. I will make a new. I can insert word art. Now I will write my name. Then here again I can shape, fill with any color I like. I can similar make this choices, many things. You can change your design, make rotation, whatever things similar. We have a tools with each thing that we are entering in, inserting inside our software. We will have a tools. It will help us to redesign. Okay, and change the height and width, make rotation, whatever the things that we need to do. Here also you have different thing. Let me see, vertical, this one is even height. Okay, alignment, you can make the alignment. Okay, now insert date and time. We already insert file if you want to insert any file, hyperlink if you want to insert any hyperlink, bookmark, header, footer, page number. Again, you have to practice these things to as we said, this class it ends with exams and some assignments and activities, but still this is very important. So course that it give you skills, computer skills, basic computer skills, but it is very important for you as a student, whatever your specialization, and as an employee in the future. Change template, again, this is what we did in the beginning, and here we can change the font schema. If you remember, when I enter, I choose maroon font schema in the customization. Let me show you. See, I choose here I choose here maroon, high color schema, cancel. I can't change it again. You can open it from here and choose whatever you like, and you can change the font, and you can change the background. How many backgrounds we have? We have solid background, we have gradients. Let's see, we have no fill, no background, solid background, which it come with one color. See here, this one color, or gradient, which come with two colors with shades, and more backgrounds. We have bathroom fill. You can choose, you can make texture, or you can make online picture. Desert. And I did the spelling correct. You can insert this. Make, okay, you see I change it. Then again you can come to the background and make more background. You have many choices here. You can put inserting a picture from here, or online picture, or you can make texture. This one, the texture, you can choose blue tissue paper, this one. Then it will change to different design. Can delete this one. Now this is all we need, or what we have to study for today. But the last things, I will remind you how to save. You have many choices to save. Then you choose the place that you want to save. As example, desktop, you change the name. As example, design, and we have here publisher file. It will save as a publisher file. Then it will help you later if you want to change and add and improve your design. Then it is very important for you to save as a publisher file. Second choices, you have JPG, this is for picture, PNG also, and PDF. For the student, if you want to save for exercise or assignment, whatever, or even for you have to save as a publisher file, and the second choice as example as PDF or as a picture. In the picture, you have to save page 1, page 2, page 3, as I explained last class. Don't forget that. Always remember that each file has different extension. Knowing the extensions is very important. It will help you also to build a good knowledge of the types of the files, which one you should choose. PDF is better, or picture is better, or whatever the type of the file that you want to save as. Thank you so much for your listening. Thank you for my students for the trying to practice and build their skills. See you inshallah next class. Safe. You can close then finish, because I already save. No need, sorry, don't save. Now